Hey guys, what we have here today is a Troy Bilt TB30, and we are going to be putting on new tires. Got a pair of these 13 by 5 by 6s, a set of them on eBay for 55 bucks. So let's get started. So on the axle here, I've already put some grease on here. Just gonna slide the wheel right on. Then come here on the side. We're gonna take the fitting from the old tire, just slide that right on. Then all we have to do is take our cotter pin, slide it right through. Now once you get it started, you may need a hammer or a pair of pliers or something to go ahead on and push it through. And it should look just like that. Now that we've got it in there, the next step you want to do is just come right here on this cotter pin, and you want to bend it down towards you just so that the tire will stay in place. Okay, that's what it looks like once you get the cotter pin bent towards you in this direction. You can just go ahead, pop on your dust cap, add some air to the tires, and let's go work on the other side. Okay guys, same concept on this side. On the right tire, just slide the tire on, put your fitting on like this. Then you just want to slide the cotter pin through. And bend the ends towards you, either direction. Put your dust cap on, you're good to go. Now I did forget to tell you guys how to take off the old wheel before I put on the new one, but basically it's just the same process in reverse. Remove the dust cap, remove your cotter pin, and the wheel pops right off.